So, ang problem number 12 natin is determine the volume of a solid obtained by rotating the region bounded by 2y squared plus x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 5 is equal to 0 about the line A, x minus 4 and then B, x plus 9. So, unang-unang gagawin natin of course is to graph again. And then, nung napansin ko yung yung line na pagro-rotatean natin dun sa figure or dun sa bounded area is x plus 9 at saka x minus 4 yung given. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya inequate sa 0. Kapag di siya inequate sa 0, meaning, hindi siya straight line or, to be exact, hindi siya parallel sa x and y axis natin. Kaya, yung line na yun is, so kasi hindi siya inequate sa 0, hindi natin alam kung kanino siya inequate, kaya, magiging y is equal to x plus 9. And then, dito naman is y is equal to x minus 4. So, kapag graph natin siya, yung line na pagro-rotatean natin is slant, isa siyang slant line. So, ito yung x minus 4 and dito yung x plus 9. So, ano ba mga kailangan natin dito? Madali lang naman kunin yung so ito pala yung yung curve which is yung 2y squared plus x plus 3 is equal to 0. And then, ito naman yung line na x plus 5 is equal to 0. And then, madali lang naman kunin yung point of intersection. I-equate lang natin to. Or simply, input lang natin yung value ni x. And then, makukuha natin is negative 5 plus 1. And then, yung isa pang point of intersection is negative 5 minus 1. And then, yung ating vertex is negative 3, 0. So, kung i-rotate natin siya sa line na to, magkakaroon ng parang ganyan na figure. So, i-rotate natin. So, magkakaroon ng parang ganyan na figure. And then, so, yun, sa una, hindi ko alam kung ano yung kung paano kunin yung volume kapag yung pagro-rotate natin is slant line. Hanggang sa nalaman ko ng formula pala doon is, so, volume is equal to pi all over m squared plus 1 raised to 3 halves times the integral of a to b f prime of x, f of x minus mx. So, yung m natin dyan is yung slope and then minus b squared times 1 plus m times f prime of x dx. So, ito yung formula na gagamitin natin para makuha yung volume nung bounded region. So, ano ba mga kailangan natin? Kailangan natin hanapin yung m or yung slope. Kailangan natin hanapin yung b, which is yung y-intercept, and then yung f of x, alam na natin yan, and then yung f prime of x. So, yung ating unang line is y is equal to, dito na lang sabi, y is equal to x minus 4. So, ito yung line na pagro-rotatean natin. So, ang slope niyan is 1, and then yung y-intercept natin is negative 4. So, para doon naman sa f prime of x, so, yung given kasi is 2y squared plus x plus 3 is equal to 0. And then, kailangan lang natin kunin yung y, yung f of x natin. So, magiging 2y squared is equal to negative x minus 3 all over 2 all over 2. So, ang y natin is equal to square root of negative x minus 3 all over 2. And then, kailangan lang natin siya i-differentiate para makuha yung f prime of x natin. So, ang f prime of x natin is equal to negative square root of 2 all over 4 square root of negative x minus 3. So, ang next na gagawin natin is, nakuha na natin yung mga values na kailangan natin. I-substitute na lang natin siya dun sa formula. So, pi all over 1 squared plus 1. Yung m natin is 1. So, raised to 3 halves. The integral of yung f of x natin is, yung limits, yung boundary pala natin is, so, babalik pala tayo doon sa ating graph. Ang boundary niya is from negative 5 to negative 3. Hanggang dito. So, from negative 5 to negative 3. Negative 5, negative 3. Yung f of x natin is square root of negative x minus 3 all over 2 minus, so 1 times x is x, then minus, yung b natin is negative 4, so magiging plus 4, and then yung 1 plus, yung m natin is 1, so times yung f prime of x, which is negative 2 square root, negative square root of 2 all over negative square root of 2 all over 4 is square root of negative x minus 3 dx. So, solve na natin yan. So, itong part na to is magiging pi square root of 2 all over 4. And then, ang integral, so, hindi ako gaano familiar sa formula, kaya kinalculate ko na lang ang integral ng ang sagot sa integral na to is 1,261 all over 15. And then, kapag minultiply natin yan, ang approximate value niya is 93.37 units cube. So, ito na yung volume kapag nirotate natin yung bounded area sa may y is equal to x plus x minus 4. And then, yung pangalawa naman is doon sa x plus 9. So, kung mapapansin natin doon sa ating graph, babalikan natin yun, ang ating limits is from negative 5 to negative 3 pa din. So, walang nagbago doon sa ating limits. So, negative 5 to negative 3. And then, wala rin naman nagbago dun sa ating f of x, which is equal to square root of negative x minus 3 all over 2. And then, wala rin nagbago sa ating f prime of x, which is negative square root of 2 all over 4 square root of negative x minus 3. And then, ang magbabago lang dito is, so, yung ating line na pag-rotatean is x plus 9. So, y is equal to x plus 9. And then, ang slope niyan, m is 1 pa din. And then, yung ating y-intercept, which is yung b, is equal to 9. Then, kompleto na yung mga values natin. Sa-substitute na lang natin siya sa ating equation or sa ating formula. So, the volume is equal to pi all over 1 squared plus 1 raised to 3 halves the integral of negative 5 to negative 3 f of x natin is square root of negative x minus 3 all over 2 minus x pa din. So, 1 times x is x. So, minus yung b natin is 9 squared times 1 plus m natin is 1. So, times negative square root of 2 all over 4 square root of negative x minus 3 dx. So, yung sagot natin dito is yun pa din, pi square root of 2 all over 4 times, ang sagot sa integral na to is 221. And then, kapag minultiply natin siya, ang value is approximately 16.36 units cube. So, ito naman ang volume kapag nirotate natin yung bounded area sa x plus 9.